Hey, welcome back to Agra. This is Utsav with my wife Urvi, and today we are going to do a sweet tour in Agra and see that view, that lovely view. So, if you like content like this, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Not. Now, let's get bonkers.
We are in the wonderful city of Agra and today we will be starting our sweet tour. We will be exploring some of the famous sweet joints in Agra. Our first stop for the day is Shriji Mishthan Bhandar, that is right behind me. It is just on the Agra main road. We will hop in there and see how the food is and how it is prepared. Also, their specialty is bedai and jalebi, that is definitely a must try here in Agra.
So, right now we are in Shriji Mishtana Bhandar in Agra, and we are going to start our breakfast. And along with that breakfast, we'll also start our walking tour of the Agra sweets and desserts. So we'll start our day with bedai and some jalebi.
We have got one plate of bedai in which there are two pieces. It is a fluffy bread. Along with it there is a spicy potato curry. Also we have some crispy hot jalebis along with it.
Bedai is somewhere between puri and kachori, if you know what I mean, if you have had both those items in India before. So it's a little soft and there are lots of stuffing inside. There is a stuffing of lentils, some Indian masala, there are a lot of red chilies and fennels. Those are the predominant tastes that I can find in this. Let me just show you how soft these are. As you can see, there is a stuffing of lentils and masala inside, making it very flavorful. Now let me try some of that spicy potato curry. Let's soak that pedia in that potato curry, so that should be oozing with those curries and the curd. Wow, that looks very good, and it turned even more softer. Just look at that. With that breakfast, Urvi, so how do you feel about Agra?
Yeah, it's great and it is a good start to our Agra sweet tour.
Right. So first up we have some bedai and jalebi. So this is a local snack that we are having, and with this we have some potato based vegetable curry. Along with the bedai they have given some potato based curry, and on top of it they have added some curd. It's making a great combination to eat. They also have an indoor setting where you can sit and enjoy your bedai.
This is a specialty here.
Yeah. So come taste it, you'll like it here. It's certainly very good.
Yeah, it looks so tempting while you were eating, so I got another plate for myself. Yeah, just can't wait to try it. Also, the jalebis are looking so delicious. Let's dig in.
As this is a sweet tour, so we'll have some sweets. The first sweet of the day is this crispy jalebi. Nice crispy sweet. If you have had jalebis in India before, I don't need to explain it. But if you have not, then this is something that you could really try. Party over, now we are off to the next stop. Second stop for the day is GMB Sweets. This is not very far away from the Sriji Mishthan Bhandar. It is just a walking distance. We are here to taste some fresh fusion sweets of Agra. Everybody in Agra has recommended this place, so I have very high expectation for it. Let's go in and see how it is.
So let's go in and check out the sweets. Oh, I see a lot of sweets. They have a huge variety of sweets. Let us choose what we want to eat. There is a whole bunch of sweet options available. There are lots of dry fruit sweets, laddus, rasmalais, and the list is just endless. So let's dig in.
So we have ordered at GMB and we have ordered our Rajbhog, our dry fruit laddu and our rose dry fruit. They are really famous for fusion sweets in Agra and you can ask anyone in Agra and they'll tell you what I'm talking about. This place has really come a very long way in a short period of time. Anybody whom we have asked have recommended this place. So we are now here to try some sweets. I just really love this bright orange color. It's really very fascinating.
Actually, the Bengali in us couldn't resist the Rajbhog.
That's true.
Even the Rajbhog has some dry fruits inside it. I have never tasted a Rajbhog that has dry fruits in Kolkata as well. I think they specialize in dry fruit sweets.
It is all wrapped up. Let me open it first. After that bright orange, now it's time for some bright red shade.
I can spot some cashew and some almonds as well, and also the bright red color is very interesting.
Yeah, let's test. There is lot of dry fruits definitely, and along with it they have added some rose extract. It's really making a very interesting taste. By second bite I think I kind of like it more than the first one. It is very sweet and it's definitely a very acquired taste.
And the last sweet that we have taken is a dry fruit laddu. It's definitely up my alley because I love dry fruits. Now let us taste how it is. The sweet content of this laddu is very less and it's loaded with dry fruits like cashew, almonds and raisins. There is pista as well. I am loving the taste of it. It's definitely a must try. We had a wonderful time at GMB and now we are off to Sadar Bazaar to taste the famous Agra Petha. We hopped onto a tuk-tuk and it took us 100 rupees, but we thought the rickshaw will give a better cinematic. And here we are in front of the original Panchi Petha.
Right now we are standing in front of the actual Panchi Petha. It was established in 1950. We are in front of the Sadar Bazaar outlet. We will go in, we have to buy some petha from here and then we will test it. Let me test one petha. I have had so many sweets in Agra so far, but this is by far the best. That's why it's so renowned out here. If you are in Agra and you have not tasted this, you have really missed out something. We had the original normal version of petha It was not flavored, it was amazing and really good. And this is the actual shop, the original shop. The sweet is so moderate, and they have those syrupy, sugary juice inside. It's oozing from inside. That was a fantastic experience we had right now.
People come and take pethas from here and they take home. It is said that it can be stored for a month.
Evening has set in Agra and we are on our quest to find some more sweet dish. We are here in Bhagat Halwai right now. It was established in 1795, almost 200 years back, and they are still rocking, still going on. These guys are really famous for Bengali sweets and dry fruit sweets, and they also have a food court where you can have some vegetarian dishes for dinner or lunch. Everybody here have said that this is one of the most authentic place to find some sweets that are famous in Agra. So let's try it out.
They have a lot of options and the staff was very friendly. So they suggested us some of their specialities and we took malai pan, kaju pista roll and a malai toast.
So we have ordered malai toast. This is my first bite. It's very soft, lots of cheesy texture, very creamy, lots of sugar syrup that has been used, very tasty. Up next is some pan shaped kaju. I'm very fascinated by the shape of this sweet. It looks like a pan. Let me test it. There is a coating of kheer on the outside. That's the first bite. Those gulkans, those kajus inside. Yeah, it's a nice combination. You may need to get used to this taste, but the sweetness level is very low. And then we have this kaju pista roll. These are nice roll shaped sweets. The shopkeeper inside said that this is one of their specialities. Obviously they have lot of dry food options in sweets. Again, this is a two-layered sweet. The outside has some kaju texture and in the inside they have some pista texture.
Took a rickshaw for 80 rupees and now we are ready to go to Devi Ram.
Up next we are in a 1917 shop, that is Devi Ram. This is just a bit away from Sadar Bazaar in Agra. They are very famous sweet shop. They don't need any introduction. Let's go in and see how they are.
We got some amazing motichur laddus. Along with it we have the ras malai. And I can already smell the desi ghee that is coming up from that laddu.
Wow, that's a nice chunk. Let me taste it. So we have ordered a ras malai. These are cheese soaked in milk. Lots of pistachio. kesar flavors. It's really very thick in consistency, and the highlight is that green cardamom flavor. We have some laddus. These are fine, pure ghee motichur laddus. Awesome. We had some laddus and rasmalais. Those are amazing sweets, and we had a very sweet day today. So on that note, we're gonna end our vlog. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note, and do stay tuned as we go bonkers with you in the next one.